Hello artists, how are you today? Stephanie coming to you once again here from the banks of the Trinity River, bringing you mixed media collage number 32. And actually this should be two different pieces, but I worked on it together, so I thought I would put it all into one video for you. Okay, on this page, what's been already put down is some ephemera and then a napkin over the top of it. And then on the right hand side, what I'm doing here real quick is I'm protecting artwork that I've already completed. Okay, on the right hand side, that one was on our background challenge. That one was the gel press with craft paint that particular day. I did that in April. As you know, I did a background today, and then on the backs of all of those backgrounds, I did all these great napkin collages just to get the back more texture so that I could just build upon it. What I'm bringing in here is my Arteza metallic acrylic paints. And the reason why I'm doing this is I'm trying to bring a little bit of the same color into each of the sides. I want it to feel really cohesive. And what I did was I actually pulled the colors out of that particular picture and kind of brought it into both sides. All right. Oh, there is my fabulous brand new Princeton synthetic 1-inch brush. Deborah, thank you so much for purchasing that for me. I really truly appreciate the gift. As we know, my brush was definitely needing help, but you know, it's amazing how long those brushes truly do last. Fabulous, fabulous. And I do want you to know that the children's baby spoons that somehow accidentally got sent to me, I will be donating those to the local thrift store, so they will get used by somebody who truly needs them. So I was happy about that. What I've done here is I put down a strip of deli sheet that has been printed on my gel press. You guys know that I use the deli sheets quite a bit. I really love having those in my stash. You can use any painted paper. You can use magazine pages, whatever makes you happy, whatever you have in your stash. I really love deli sheets, obviously, because I use them quite a bit. And I have a large collection of them. What I wanted to do, though, by putting the one in the center, is I really wanted to make it feel cohesive from page to page. So it brings it over better, makes it read as one. So here, I think that was one of my dual images again. And I just think it's a really cool piece of paper. And look at that great orange and blue in there. And it's bringing in all of the colors that I already have in there as the background. This is a great picture of a raven, which I just completely love. And then I am adding that in for a little bit of, well, as you know, this book, Creating Your Own Book, should be all about you. And you know that ravens are kind of one of my favorite birds, of course. And so have to have a raven in my book, right? Okay, so now I'm working on the second page here. And this image is another one of my dual images. I had printed the map down first, and then I printed the Victorian woman over the top of it. And she's got some really cool headdress on, so she's just really a very strong looking woman to me. She has a lot of strength, and sometimes, you know, you just have to remember your strengths. I'm doing quick measurement to make sure that I'm putting it down straight. It took, you know, less than a minute to make sure that it was on straight. And that's just part of craftsmanship. It just takes a minute, and let me tell you, if it wasn't straight, you'd notice it. So here I'm just putting one more little piece of deli sheet over the top of the image just to kind of bring that color scheme again throughout the painting. or the collage. Here we're trimming up, and it gives us a good idea of what the piece is going to look like. Now we're bringing in our Stabilo All 804, so 8047, 8046. It is a black graphite water-soluble pencil, and it gives us a great smudgy line. Here I'm using my Stumpy brush. I'm using Stumpy brush because I want to have a little bit more of a fuzzy line. Stumpy brush is just an old paintbrush that I cut off all the bristles to, and it kind of works like a blunt stick. If you've ever seen those, it's a cool tool. Anyways, alright, here we are working on the other side. I really like the cohesion that's going on. I love the color scheme. Here I'm taking my permanent ink and going along the edges. You guys know I use the Stays On Timber Brown. I use the same color all the way through the book, and it just gives the book a feeling of cohesion. So here we're putting down some more Stabilo, and we're giving her a nice fuzzy but not smeared frame. I think she's just gorgeous, and I love how this piece turned out. I hope you're all staying safe and happy and healthy out there. Much love. Bye-bye. Please be sure to like and comment and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Bye-bye.